Now we have done one type of insert image operation. There are two more different types of insert operation which I require to show you. So moving on to directly the operation of how to insert image on photo albums. I will show you all the three operations over here. First, what I'm going to do, right click over here, replace image. From where? Upload from computer. By default now the folder will be selected. Now I am selecting over here, suppose Shimla. Open it. You will be able to see that the image is exactly fitting on the same part as it was in the initial, as it was in the initial part. That is the same size of the image will be uploaded. Now over here, one option is go to insert, then we will see images, upload from computer. Now I'll select any one image of, I'm selecting this image and I'll open it. You will be able to see that the older image will be as it is. I require to delete the older image. I require to put the older image, the new image over here, and then I require to do the editing as in I require to reduce or increase the size. In order to increase the size, just select the image and drag the squares which you are able to see. If you want to write anything over here, we can write it. If you don't want, just delete this part, select it, delete, and then increase the image. Done. So this was about the second type of insert operation, that is insert image. Now the third insert operation is we are able to see directly insert image over here. Again, upload from the computer, or you can directly upload it from the net also, as we are doing in our sync sessions. Again, the older image is over here. I require to delete it. I require to align the image, and I require to increase the size of the image. So according to me, the first option is much more simple, as directly replace the image because editing part won't be done over there. Coming over here, one more slide now. I will show you directly replace option. Right click, replace image, upload from computer, and now I'm selecting Nainital and I'm just clicking insert. You are able to see without editing, I'm able to get. Now, if you want to write about Nainital, I will write the city of lakes. The city of lakes. If you want to insert the time, or if you want to delete it, just select it, right click, or just select it and delete this particular timing option. So I have shown you all the three parts of insert image operations. Over here again, we are able to see one kind of image. Again, right click, replace image, upload from the computer, because according to me this is the most simple kind of operation we can do. I have selected Nainital. Now I'll select any image from the Nainital and I'll open it. Done. If you want to write something, you can write it over here. I'm just going to write amazing scenery. So in this manner, you are able to create the entire photo album.